What's up guys, this is the Philips air fryer. We purchased air fryer about 2 years ago, and Philips is really well known for their air fryers, and we love this thing. This thing has made all my French fry desires complete. If you guys like French fries, especially buying French fries from the supermarket and then just frying them like the pre-cut fries, this is perfect. Because of the way it's designed, you get very even cooking. So here's the cooking area, right? And if you need to clean it, you pick it up and you clean it like this. But basically, it's got a wire rack inside, so you can throw your French fries right on there, and it crisps the fries to perfection. Because the way that it's designed, you get even cooking all around the French fries, and it applies to other breaded stuff too. Like if you're cooking katsu, where you have breaded tofu or breaded vegetables or breaded anything, it cooks it very evenly from all around. And what I like about it is not only does it cook everything evenly around, so it's super crispy, but the cooking is fast. It's faster than a conventional oven because there's no preheating required. You just throw it in and you start cooking. Up here you have your typical conventional dial for temperature, right? But I really love the timer. The timer is convenient because if you know how long it's gonna take, you just set the timer, let it run, and then it will cook your stuff, and ding, when it's done, you're ready to eat. Super easy. Very easy to clean up as well, because like I said, inside here you have a tray. The cooking area right here, you pop this up and you can clean this wire mesh. Now, this wire mesh is great for certain foods, but not so great for other foods. For example, if you're cooking something that is like maybe something with a lot of cheese on it, the cheese will melt through the wire mesh and it makes it hard to clean up. So if you're ever doing something like that, now there's a trick for that. You can use what's called parchment paper, something like this. I can leave a link to this down below as well. So this parchment paper helps it collect all the food that would normally drip through the wire mesh, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, you can actually cook cookies on this thing, like literally, like you saw in here, right? There's a wire rack, so you would think, well, how do you cook cookies with it? But you can actually cook cookies with it. Again, the trick is using the parchment paper, right? So you have the parchment paper, you put one sheet in there, then you can put your bladder right on top of there, and dude, the cookies come out superb. Again, very even all around, bottom, side, top, all around. It's evenly crisp and it's nice, toasty and brown. I just love the way everything cooks to a crisp and very even all around. So in addition to cookies and French fries, you can cook a whole other bunch of other stuff. You can even cook desserts, right? If you got some ramen tins like this, you can actually put like creme brulee in here, throw it right in there and cook it. And when you're done, you take it out and you can eat it right from this ramen tin bowl. They come in all kinds of different sizes. This one is a bigger size. You can even get a smaller ramen tin bowl just like this. You can even cook some stuff into a tray like this. Throw this tray directly into the air fryer, put it in there, and oh my gosh, you can cook so much stuff with this air fryer. Absolutely love it. And of course, Philips, the brand of this air fryer, is the king of all air fryers. They're well known and they're one of the biggest manufacturers of air fryers, and we really love this thing. We use it on the daily, and we highly recommend this air fryer. Pick one up if you love crunchy foods, if you like to make small portions but have really quick cooking time. This will be great for you. Of course, they come in different sizes, so if you want bigger portions, you can also get a larger air fryer as well. And yeah, I love fried foods and I love them cooked to a crisp, even all around. So that's why the air fryer is one of my favorite ways to cook food.